Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to append queries in Power BI with examples, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had explained in detail how to work on a query. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. Appending queries in Power BI is a great way to combine data from multiple sources and create more comprehensive reports. In this video, we'll be covering how to merge the two Excel files. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. So let's dive in. Appending queries is the process of combining two or more queries into a single table. This is useful when you have data that is stored in different locations or formats and needs to be merged together for analysis. You can find the Append Queries command on the Home tab in the Combine group. On the drop-down menu, you'll see two options, Append Queries and Append Queries as New. The append operation requires at least two tables. For the example in this video, we'll use the following two tables with sample data. Append two tables, Online Sales, sales made through an online channel. Store sales, sales made through the company's physical locations. To append these tables, first select the Online Sales table. On the Home tab, select Append Queries, which creates a new step in the Online Sales query. The Online Sales table will be the primary table. The table to append to the primary table will be Store Sales. Append these tables. Power Query performs the append operation based on the names of the column headers found on both tables, and not based on their relative position in the headers sections of their respective tables. In the final table, we have all columns from all tables appended. In the event that one table doesn't have columns found in another table, you can see the null values appear in the corresponding column, as shown in the referrer column of the final query. There are several advantages to appending queries in Power BI. Combining data from multiple sources into a single table allows for easier analysis and reporting. Appending queries is a non-destructive operation, meaning it doesn't modify the original data sources. Appending queries allows for more flexible and dynamic reporting, as data from different sources can be easily combined and updated. And that's it. Appending queries in Power BI is a great way to combine data from multiple sources and create more comprehensive reports. In the next video, we are going to discuss transpose a table, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning, and thank you for watching.